You don't have to pay thousands of dollars to get a professional logo done for your business. I'm gonna show you how to create a logo for free in under 5 minutes. And if you guys don't know me, my name is Sabah Lee, the owner of a multi-six-figure online business. And today I'm gonna show you how to create a free branded logo that stands out. Because as we all know, having a really good logo makes you more money in your business. Just like the big brands that we love when we shop at, we know them because of their logo. So I'm going to show you how to create this logo in Canva. So let's take a look at my screen. So if you guys have never used Canva, it is literally the best software website to use if you want to do graphics, designs, logos, posts, like literally anything. So if you've never used Canva, I'm gonna walk you through step by step how to create this logo. So get on Canva, and when you log in, when you sign up, you're gonna see this dashboard right here, and there's gonna be a search bar. In the search bar, you can type in logo, and when you do, you will see hundreds of thousands of templates that you can use, customize with your own brand colors, and create a really good template. So for an example, let's say you have a business that has to do with fitness. Maybe you're a personal trainer, maybe you sell supplements. So what you can do is type in fitness logo. Have that populate, and then you will see there's 139,000 templates that you can use, customize, and choose from. So this is literally how easy it is to make a logo using Canva. So I'm just going to scroll here and see what I like. Usually when I'm looking at logos, I love to think about the feeling that I want to give off with my business. So for an example, if you have a fitness business that's focused for women, maybe you want to have something like this over here, Tasha's Fitness. Or maybe if it's something a little bit more masculine or something that's a little bit more neutral, maybe it's something like this over here. And you can even narrow it down even more. So maybe I want to say something like a red fitness logo, if I can type red fitness logo. So if we search that, now there's even more templates, but you can even see the different colors and the different themes. So I am just going to pick one that stands out to me, and I am going to customize it based on how I want the logo to look like. So let's scroll down, and let's actually just do this one because this one caught my eye. So when you click on the actual template, you might look at it and see, oh, I don't like the colors, I don't like the font, but I like the actual design and the layout. That is okay because you can customize the template based on the colors and the fonts that you have. So all you want to do is click customize this template, and then it will pop up in basically your Canva designer. It's right here, and basically all you have to do now is input your brand name if you want to change the graphic or the colors. So let's say I want to change the background. All I have to do is click on that. If I go right here on the top left-hand corner, I can see all the colors. So this right here, you can actually see I have my brand colors here on Canva. When you create your own account, you can upload your own colors on Canva. So let's say I want the background to be like this bright teal, okay? And maybe I want to change the text to say, instead of saying Ladies Fitness Studio, maybe I want to say something like Sabah Ali Fitness. That's my name, and maybe my company, that's what it's called. Maybe that's like my LLC or something. Okay, so it says Sabah Ali Fitness, and then I want to change it to the actual like brand name or the business name or the tagline. And maybe I change it to like Get Fit Today. Maybe that's my tagline, but you guys get the gist. You basically want to input what your brand name is, or if you have like a tagline. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far, but maybe I want to change like the graphic. Maybe I don't necessarily like the weights, or I want to change like the colors. Maybe I want to do white, and for this one, I want to do black. And then maybe for like the accent color right here, I want to change it to like bright pink. So even this on its own, it's coming together and it looks really, really good. So even if you are starting to create the logo and you're like, I don't know if I like the design that much anymore, you can go through and actually look at the templates here as well and come up with different designs. So I kind of like how this one looks. So what I'm going to do is add a different page and click on this. Now I might take bits and pieces of the same design and create a logo on my own. So maybe I like the curvature on this, but maybe I don't necessarily like this right here. So I'm gonna delete this as well. I like the curvature, and you can also change the curvature up on here if you go to effects, scroll down, and you can change how much this curves. So maybe it was like way too curved for me. I want to do something like that. Okay, so Sabah Elite Fitness, Get Fit Today. Maybe I want to curve it just like a little bit more, or a little bit less actually. So that way it flows, and you can also change the font. I'm gonna change the font. I usually love to use Playfair Display. That's like my font that I typically use. I'm gonna scroll, oops, I didn't mean to do that, and just make this like a little bit bigger. Get Fit Today, and maybe I do like this. I'm gonna take this and put it right over here. And actually, I wanna change that to bright pink, and I'm gonna change the background to black, and then I'm gonna change the text to white. Okay, so already you can see a logo has like came together. How easy it is to make a logo in Canva in under 5 minutes. And once again, it doesn't matter what business you have. It doesn't matter what type of colors you have, because everything can be customizable. Like I can create just another one right now. I can change the graphic to something else. Maybe I have something where maybe I have a business that's focused on makeup. So I can type in makeup, and I can switch out this graphic for something else. Ooh, this looks really good. So I'm gonna switch this out, make this a little bit smaller, put that right here, and maybe I'm gonna say something like Lush. I think that's actually, well, that's actually a business. Lush Bath Bombs. I love using bath bombs, so that's why I thought of it. But I'm gonna write down like Lush Makeup. So like boom, in literally what, like 10 seconds, I was able to make a logo here on Canva. It looks professional, and I don't have to spend thousands of dollars to hire a graphic designer to make a logo when I can make it on my own. So that is how you can create a logo for free in under 5 minutes using Canva. I absolutely love Canva, and comment below and let me know if you are going to create a logo for yourself or your business today. I'm starting to do more like tutorials and more trainings on my YouTube, so comment below and let me know if you want a step-by-step tutorial or training something similar to this, and I'll make sure to create it on my channel. If you guys love this video, make sure to hit like, comment, and subscribe. Every single Sunday, I come out with weekly videos, Sundays with Sabah. And until next time, make sure that you stay unforgettable.